Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Opengl32.dll error on Roblox. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to open up a CMD or command prompt. Make sure to open up as admin, so right click on it, run as admin, and then we need to write a command here. So command is cfc /scan now without a space, and then you need to press enter. And then you just need to wait until verification process is done. So simply what it does, if there is some corrupt files on your computer, it will fix that. And then after you start your computer, you need to look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then you need to open a browser, and then you need to go to dllme.com, and then you just need to write on search opengl32.dll, and then just download 64-bit version here, right? And as you can see here, it will be downloaded to your computer after you complete the captcha. So just complete the captcha, and then you should get this file here. So what you need to do here is to right click on it, extract all, and then select whatever you like. So let's extract it on desktop, right? And then you will have this OpenGL32 file, right? So then what you need to do here, you need to open up new window here, File Explorer. Then first you need to go to your computer, this PC, then go to disk C, go to Windows or users, PC, and then, wait a second, I need to check it. You should go Windows, then System32, and then you just need to put that file here and replace it here. And then you just need to, as you can see here, press continue, and then skip it if you want to. And then what you need to do here is to go look for Roblox player, right click on it, open file location, right click again, open file location again. And then here you need to also put OpenGL32. Just grab it and paste it here. And then what you need to do here, you need to look if the problem persists after you restart your computer. If the problem persists, then what I suggest to do here is to open up Microsoft Store and then download Roblox from Microsoft Store here, log into your account, and also it will be no issues after that. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.